Oh my, look at here. Split there. I brought some dried roses as a gift for the elementals. Representing love, passion, passion for life, honouring the elementals, because they are part of us and it's been neglected by many, poo-pooed by many. And this is a gift to myself, because I am part of this beautiful creation. So even though the rosebuds maybe appear to be dead, they've been dried and hold that energy still within them. And also, I brought some coppers for the fairies as an offering. There you are. Thank you for all that you do. Thank you for all that you are. Thank you for the many blessings that come into my life. Whoa. you wee Westy. Hello, wee Westy. Hello. Hello. How are you? Woo. There's your pal. Hey? 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 That's it. Leave a message. Check the P-mail.
And that's a little boy.
Yeah.
And this is a little girl.
Yeah.
This is Lulu, and that's Ishmael.
Ishmael.
Yeah.
And we have a little puglet.
And that one there is a little Westie.
And
This
you're
is
a wee puglet.
She's a rescue.
Yeah. Lovely.
She's
Hello,
a
girly
rescue.
girl. Oh, lovely
They're
to
very
meet
friendly.
you.
They're just very excited.
Yeah, you
Hello.
are. I know.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yeah. Well, I'll be doing a spring equinox ceremony with the
are you?
Teds.
Oh, lovely.
The Teds in the trees.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Super. That's what you're recording.
Yeah.